Today we are going to be doing an oil change on this 2002 V8 Cadillac Escalade. It's 6.0 liter. So first you want to loosen your cap, and this engine takes 5W30. And pull up your engine dipstick, and now we are going to go on the bottom and go to the drain plug. So once you get down here, this is a 15mm drain plug, and I'm using a 3/8 15mm socket to untighten it. There you go. Make sure you have your drain pan ready, and go ahead and drain. Make sure you have a rag down here so you can just lay your drain bolt down there. And with this oil filter, I'm going to use a 3/8 extension and this oil filter tool to remove it. This is pretty useful. I like this one better because you could expand it and you can go ahead and it'll grip this oil filter like that. So that's how I remove this oil filter. Be careful not to get oil on your tools. And just loosen it slowly so it doesn't drop on you. And now I'm just going to wait until it's done being drained, and I'll install the new oil filter right here. This is a Bosch brand. It's 3423. And for the drain plug, it doesn't come with any gasket, so you could just go ahead and torque it down like that. So how I remove the oil filter is I get a rag and put it underneath and go ahead and remove it like this so it doesn't get all messy. Make sure you remove it slowly so it doesn't drop all on you. There you go. What a mess. When putting on the new oil filter, make sure you get some of the oil over here and lube the O-ring right here. Helps tighten the seal and prevent any oil leak. Go ahead and clean up your mess. And hand tighten your oil filter. You don't need a torque stick or anything like that to tighten this oil filter. Just hand tighten it. Won't fall off or anything like that. Once you're done, tighten your drain plug and go back up there and refill your oil. and I'll show you after this. If you guys want to use a torque stick on this drain plug, it's 18 pound or 18 foot-pound, but I just hand tightened this drain plug and it should be alright. Well, it is going to be alright. That's it. So once you are done, go ahead and refill your engine with engine oil, 5W30. This type of vehicle takes 6 quarts. Just be careful not to spill any oil. So what you want to do is put in 5 quart of oil and then check your dipstick. Make sure your engine is running, and then turn it off and recheck it and make sure that you are in the right level between the low and high dipstick mark. And I'll show you that later. Go ahead and turn on your engine and recheck. So after you refill your engine oil, you want to turn on the vehicle, let it run for about a minute or so, turn it off. Then you want to pull this dipstick out and recheck the level. Make sure to wipe it with a rag before you check the level, so it will be in proper level. So you have a lot of these dots right here. Make sure it's below the 5th dot. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you reset your maintenance light. You want to put the ignition key to run, but with the engine off, and then you want to fully depress your accelerator pedal 3 times within 5 seconds, and after that your change engine oil light right there will flash 5 times, and that's how you know that it's reset. So I'm going to show you right now. And the light should flash 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. And now it's reset and you are done.